welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to appeal Facebook page suspended. Currently, Facebook page suspended is a very common problem, and you may be wondering how to resolve it. That's also why Master the Meta made this video. Let's solve this problem together. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment and a file will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. Step 1. Enter your Facebook page link in the first box. Then enter your profile link in the second box. Note you must be an administrator of the page. In the third box, enter the BM ID that owns the page if the page is not under BM. Enter Facebook page owned by an individual. In step 4, paste the text I have prepared for you. Note that you should edit it to fit your own information. Finally, please include a screenshot of the problem you are experiencing. Click Start. Now wait about 1 to 2 hours and then return to the page. You should see that your page has been restored. Note, if it still doesn't work, try again after 1 to 2 hours, and it should work because at the time you try, many people may be using extensions, which could be causing system congestion. During this process, do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. Facebook has a notification saying the page has been successfully restored. Let's check it out. You can see all the posts on my page have been deleted successfully. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to increase Facebook page organic reach.